La da da la When I awoke, I was sitting on a boat, living lawless on the open water. One of my bad napping in the sleeping quarters as I opened up a sketch pad, drafting ideas for a new collection of garments. Living in the magic kingdom, and my floor got the magic carpet. Mitchell and Ness, away Jersey, Magic Johnson. 68 Impala that my uncle built me from Compton. This weed I'm smoking so awesome. We move with caution, we move like bosses. We move that hard and that soft. Tell a homie DJ Fresh how you want it. As
I like a woman with a future and a past. A little attitude, problem, all good, it'll make the shit last. Don't make it too easy, girl, don't take it too fast. Yeah, that's it right there, that's it, do it just like that. Only you can do it just like that, and I love it when your hair's still wet, cause you just took a shower.
Alright people, so hopping on the shuttle on the way to Midway Airport. Vegas vlog, baby, let's get it. You ready? Or no? I'm talking to you.
Oh,
you ain't ready?
no.
What you mean you ain't ready? Why you not ready?
It's not in service.
Yeah. Motivated by paper and always been a passion. Whipping that Chevrolet Impala, my speakers blasting. Hungry like I'm fasting. Who the hell is? Just ask them. Louis Vuitton rhyme, relevant and old fashioned. Like we always do it this time, homie. I go for mine, homie. I got to shine, homie. All I do is grind, homie. All I do is rhyme. I provide for mine, homie. Y'all know me. Yeah, I started with just $1 in a dream, like Jermaine in 09. Know what I mean? Fresh on the scene, like a first take. I dropped my first tape and felt the earth shake. But let's accelerate. Drop the second tape. 20.
All right, YouTube. Good morning. It's your boy Ken Cobbs, Casey Fitted, and in Vegas. I just want to show you guys the Airbnb real quick. Really nice. It's the kitchen, stove, microwave, a little bar stool thing here, a little sectional couch, fireplace, and this is the living room. Very beautiful. It's the outside pool area, people. Morning time. Check this out. Very beautiful, man. 70-incher. It's beautiful. Stay tuned, people. Let's get it. Let's see if she know how to drive. What y'all think? She can't even get the car started. Look at her. She didn't even know how to use it. Tweaking. Oh, she finally got it. Look at her, can't drive. Let's enjoy this beautiful day, people. Let's get it. Let's go. No. What?
Oh,
No.
She gotta know what she's like. You want me to drive down there what I was telling you about?
What are you talking about?
How I was telling you.
Oh, to get
all
the
wedding
shots.
chapels and stuff? No.
What are you talking about?
The wedding chapel?
Yeah, we can do whatever.
But you gon' have to understand, he's my man now. What you had is gone. Our thing is sweet. Our thing is stronger than any lie you can tell on me. He knows my heart, and that's the part. Your roots are dug up, so you might as well give up. I see your intentions. You can't handle the truth. He let you go a long time ago. Now it's time to turn him loose. You're getting in my way. You're getting in the way of what I'm feeling. shouldn't swing, if you know what I mean.
Cause some came in the mail today.
I did.
These nuts. Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Hips tick-tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start at OnlyFans. Big beat and that beat stand for bands. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it on this wine. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame. Gang. You drop the checks on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Right, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. Yeah.
Sassy G, ratchet. Sassy G, nasty. Sassy G, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Sassy G, ratchet. Sassy G, nasty. Sassy G, what's happening? What's happening, bitch? Welven got your y'all follow me on the ground, you feel me, my nigga?
Let's get it.
Yeah, y'all follow me on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Welven got your hashtag, you feel me?
You got a Snapchat?
Deeznuts and got them, so hashtag.
Gang, let's get it. Let's go.
You put a buck in my cup, I am going to shut the fuck up. And you ain't gotta be a baller to give me a motherfucking dollar. I am the socket, you are the plug. Please put $1 in my motherfucking cup. Please put $1 in my motherfucking cup. You know what's up.
Yo, good shit, bro. Yes, sir, man. Where the cup at, man?
Right here. Bam! Bam, 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 bam.
Good stuff, bro. Yes,
That
sir.
part, man. Appreciate y'all, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Been the jacks, had to fight for my respect. Elevator wasn't working, so we took the pissy steps. I went years without no sex, so you know that pussy wet. And you ain't a real hustler if you can't bust a check, bitch. Push it, 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 push it. Go with the money, go with the money.